Welcome to the office.
Hey guys, how's it going? So let's see who's here today. Let's see who's here today, guys. Come on in. Hey Emma!
Hi!
How's it going?
Good! I'm so much better.
What do you mean so much better?
I can't wait to tell you.
I want to hear all about it. Who do we got over here?
Sasha's here.
Hey Sasha!
What's going on? Apparently
what?
I look stressed. So I've come in after Ems. I'm gonna hop on.
We may have to.
We might have to.
I may have to adjust for his sympathetics, like you said.
State. Something needs an
help
adjustment over there.
We're gonna need more help than that.
Okay. Well, let's see how Emma is doing.
She's doing great. She called me straight away. She was like, "Wow, I feel so much better."
What does that mean?
Yeah, but what did I tell you? I told you about basically when you adjusted my tailbone, which you said was a long-term injury.
Yes.
Since like very, very old.
Yes.
And I couldn't even tell you what that's from, but when you adjusted me, it felt like the noise, everything shifted. The noise was like, I was like, oh, that was big. And then I got up, and after a few seconds, I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna cry. And then it all just came out, and I thought.
And she did cry, by the way, Sasha.
Yeah.
She told me.
I told her. And I wasn't prepared for that.
What did he do to you?
And I wasn't prepared for it, but I just think, that must have been trauma, right? Like, something held there.
Nothing, it didn't hurt you.
No way.
Just want to make sure. It didn't hurt you, right?
No, not at all.
It was an emotional release.
It was a huge release, yeah.
So you felt better?
So I felt instantly better.
Okay.
My shoulder was the physical ailment, is that the right word, that gave me the most physical pain during my days for the last 6 months.
Okay.
And I was without knowing it, like kind of convinced that pain wouldn't go away, but it did by a huge amount, like at least 50%.
Okay.
And I was really shocked by that.
After our first visit?
After our first visit.
Okay.
Like I really thought this is such a vigorous and stubborn injury that I just thought that it would take a really long time for me to see even any difference there, and it just at least by 50%, and I thought it just must have been it's getting pulled and whatnot, but by adjusting, I think it was the T4 that you did, and then the C4, and then the S7.
Close. S7. If you have 7 S's.
Okay. Okay, C7, T4, and S4.
C7, T4, S4, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, she remembers. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, she doesn't forget a thing, trust me.
Okay, good. Anything new show up with any adjustment, any new pop, crack, shift?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I feel like what we did in the top right here, and there was a lot of movement that you did there. I feel like that's probably the one that, like, whenever I find myself in situations where it's like I'm a bit stressed or it's emotional, I still feel the pain here, and I feel like this one out of all of them, I felt like shifted again,
Okay.
like in the back.
Okay. You understand your x-rays we went over?
Mm-hmm.
You ready for round 2?
Mm-hmm.
Sasha?
Let's do it.
Round 2. Ding, 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 ding. So part of the challenge with all dancers is we talked about keeping a forward pelvic.
Mm-hmm.
But as dancers, you guys are all taught to tuck in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tuck in the way you were taught, please. That's the way you were taught to tuck in, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you see by doing that, she loses this part here and there. You can see that hole there, right? A little indentation. That's what's causing all the neck stuff. That's the T4. Sit up straight. Now, T4, one issue. Sacrum. This area here, this is all compensation. This we don't need to mess with. Okay? This is not an area we need to mess with because whatever's happening down here is causing this. And I'm just going to show your husband real quick, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is what's happening.
Oh, her left.
Her
Is that
left.
the left or the
Yes,
right?
left. So her left pelvis is down slightly. The sacrum is rotated and down. But here's the thing. Right now, the measured difference of the hip is 9. That needs to get under 7. So the way I'm working on it is not through the pelvis first. It's through the sacrum. Then
This looks curved too.
Yes. And that curve is because of a short leg
Oh,
on
I
the left.
see. Yeah,
So
yeah.
I bring that side up, we do the sacrum, we then do the
Mhm.
pelvis, or whichever one
Right.
we're gonna do, right? Now, textbook says to do the PI pelvis over a rotated sacrum. But I'm not there yet, I'm down here still.
I see.
Okay, let's get started, Emma.
Okay.
Starting at the base of the neck. And the first thing we're getting. C7, left side. And the whole idea, Emma, is as your foundation gets more balanced, all this stuff holds better, even though I know you're feeling better. Okay? Just so we're clear. Do-do-do-do. T4. Do-do-do-do.
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice.
Is it?
Damn.
Down the bottom, yeah.
Just a tiny bit. 5 points. 5 points sacrum. We're on the same 3 spots. Everything is less.
Okay.
Let's continue. Feet
Right.
together. Scoot forward.
Move your left knee.
Feet together. Open and close your knees. Open and close. Right side only. So when she does the right, you can feel the whole left goes with it. Do you feel that here? My fingers. Feel my finger here in the front and the back. So when you do the right, this should be independent.
Yeah.
Do the left side only. You see how this doesn't move as
Yeah,
much?
it
Is that like mine?
Yes. You see this doesn't move as much because
Yeah.
this side is okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's do a quick scoot back for me, please. Let's step and palpate, head down. Round your back. Da-da-da-da. So what we want to see, Sasha, on her spine, moving forward, I want to see all these bones when
Throughout
she's
the whole way?
curved. When she's
Right.
curved.
Okay.
Okay? That's part of the goal. 7, 1, 2, 3. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's
Does
low.
it hurt?
Yeah,
It's-
that hurts lower.
It's lower. It's T6 today. That's the stomach button.
Oh no. Oh, yeah, that hurts.
Sacrum. We're dropping down to T6, and let's check up top. Sit back for me, please. Scoot your bum back. Good. And you know what's interesting? What she did on the first visit, similar to what you did. You did the exact same move after the adjustment to test your hips.
Yeah.
Exact.
It's called a cucaracha.
No,
Oh, what'd you do?
it's like the way we're told to walk.
7. Sit up straight. 7, 6, and sacrum. Definitely better. So first visit, this is fine. The right shoulder was very ratchety when we were moving it. It's a little bit better. A little bit still there though. You ready?
Yeah.
C7. So we'll do 7, 6 sacrum, then we'll tune up the rest, okay?
Okay.
C7. Nice and easy there. Da-da-da-da. We want to lift. There it is. Gotcha. Tiny bit more on that right side if you don't mind, okay? Tiny bit. There you go. Right ear down. Gotcha. She's quick. Walk it off, please. Hi. We're going to do what's called a Gonstead leg check just to confirm something.
Okay.
You're going to go face down over here with your ankles hanging off the edge on this side. Face down, please. And what we're checking, looking at the ankles. And what we see is, oh wow, it actually got better. It was a lot shorter on the left. It actually got a little better. It's still slightly shorter.
The right looks shorter, no?
No, shorter.
Oh,
Not-
I see,
not
I
longer.
see. Yeah.
Shorter. So this
Yeah.
this goes up.
Right.
So the left
Yeah,
is
yeah.
slightly. Now when we bend, it still stays slightly bent. So that tells us sacrum. If it goes shorter, sacrum. If it goes longer, pelvis.
Oh, I see, because it goes.
So that even goes against the textbook that tells us if you have the PI pelvis with a rotated sacrum on that side, do the sacrum. But this tells us to do the sacrum. So
Right.
do we go with the patient or do we go with the x-ray?
Patient.
4, 5, 6. Ah! Hold on. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Me or her? I don't know what's worse.
Slide up a little bit.
Slide up.
There, I got you. You got her?
Yeah.
Now we gotta torque up. This way. Receive. That's a piece. A little bit more. That's it. That's still not all of it. Step away, please. That's not our table anymore.
This one?
It's not your table anymore. You're just too super duper flexible now. Walk it off, please. Good stuff. Can you do some of your hip action?
I feel that same lightness, that same release. I
Okay.
really do. The
Do
hip
a
action.
little bit of your hip action. That's the move you were doing too. That's your cucaracha?
Mm-mm.
It's a
beautiful rumble walk.
It's a what?
It's called a rumble walk.
Come back over here, please. Stand over here. You come over here, stand over here.
Where?
I want to see you do it with her. Come here. Turn around. You gotta see you too.
You want to take this off?
I mean, that's up to you. You know he has to show up.
Yeah, it is his.
No.
You want me to take off my shirt? I ain't taking mine off,
I'm
sorry.
off season, right? So this is not good.
Alright, show.
Don't you?
What are you laughing
I
at?
have to see
I gotta see the
He needs to
nipples,
see the
dude.
low part. You didn't think about that when you did.
Take
Left
this down.
foot, left foot.
Alright, let's do it. Start. Very nice. Okay, both of them go right well. Left, left. So, what's interesting, yes, hers goes up a little bit more. His left pelvis is stuck. His left dimple doesn't go up. I know it's your visit, but I was just
Yeah.
pointing you out.
I
Okay,
just need to remember.
go right. Come here. You go right side down. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna smile. Make sure your ankle hooks behind the knee. I just want you to focus on that, please.
Okay.
Everything else can be as it is. And we're gonna be there. Good, happy place. Gotcha. That's it. Come on up and walk it up. Yes. You'll be giving us some feedback too down the road, Sasha, because you know how she moves
Mm-hmm.
better than anybody.
Mm-hmm.
Feels free. Feels much freer. Like just, and I can feel it right after it happens. It's just like lighter. Like feels way better.
Good.
That was the sacrum, yeah?
S3. S3. And now let's get to the shoulder. 7 is clear. Today was T6. Make sure you take her out for a nice dinner tonight, please.
Because it's the stomach.
It's the stomach button. She's gonna have an appetite.
Is that so? Does that mean my stomach is not happy? It's inflamed.
It's not happy.
It's not happy.
Did you eat something different in the last 2 days? Okay.
Could it?
Yeah, she's been cooking. Careful, she does have a new piercing, just in case.
Oh wow. These
Right
are the
shoulder.
crunches.
This one. Drop it down, 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 down. There you go. Gotcha. Over, around. That's it. On your back, this side, please. Bend the knee. Knee's good. Raise this side. Bend the knee. What I'm feeling for, Sasha, is just clicking of the knee. Tiny. I'm not messing with that.
Okay.
Let's work on the ankles.
Okay.
Raise your left leg. Turn to your right side. Calcaneus. Navicular. Other side, please. Calcaneus. Navicular. Sit up, please. And let's buff it out. So good. 5, 4, 3, 2. You're healed, my child.
That's amazing. That feels amazing.
Walk
Thank
it
you
off
so
last
much.
time and then I do your hands.
Okay.
Let's check the hands. Squeeze. Squeeze. Hi.
Ah.
Squeeze. Lunate. Scaphoid. Elbow.
Wow.
Squeeze.
Shoulders, knees, and toes.
Squeeze. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
These and toes.
You're all set for today. You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much. That was amazing. I feel so much better. That one, this, does this just reset?
I'm just resetting. As I'm when I'm shaking your hand, I'm just making sure everything is seated correctly. I may do it a few times. I can even teach you guys how to do it. Just push it forward.
Mm, sure.
Cool.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Awesome.
Thank you.
Sasha, sit down.
Sash.
Sasha, sit down. You ready to get back to
It's
it?
funny how my stress one didn't trigger. Or did it? It was my stomach.
Today was stomach, T6, and
I just thought when Sasha came back, my stress one would have been like, oh.
no, it's gone.
His?
Yours.
Oh, mine.
As soon as he got back, yours is gone. See?
Yeah.
See how that works?
Yeah.
Left. Right there. Sacrum, 7. We got something different up top. Sit back for me, please.
How's
So
the 5?
Sasha's getting the express service today.
Okay.
All right.
How's the 5?
What's that?
The 5. L5?
About 6, 7 points. It's the sacrum.
Oh, wow.
Nice and easy there, brother. There.
And the sacrum represents your passion and libido, right?
Yes.
There's lots of other things. Lots of things that you can work on there, Sash. No, I mean like, sorry, not, I mean in that, but like, this, you can do things that can help that.
Right side down.
Thinking of color, is it orange? Red?
Red is root. Orange is sacrum. Isn't it funny how my logo is orange?
It's,
Ah!
there you go.
Orange.
Didn't even know
I
that.
get a lot of. Well, let me do this one first. Oh, like butter. Walk it out. Oh. Wow, you got jealous. That was the pelvis, by the way. And yes, you guys have the same pelvis issue. And yes, you guys have the same sacrum issue of different intensities.
Mhm.
Very interesting. Yeah, you did lose weight. Now I
Yeah.
see it. Oh, good.
No, but every time you crack, it's like I can. Because do you close your eyes when he cracks?
Maybe.
Like I can visualize the actual bone. It's like it goes from dark to light. Like I can see it goes.
That's cool, man. 7. There you go. Nice. And I'm just going to put you on the knee chest table to make sure that 5 holds, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You got it. So we're using gravity and we're using nice and easy. Relax the shoulders, please. That's it. And just keeping it there.
It doesn't move too much.
No, it moves further.
It moves deeper.
Yeah.
But when you see it physically, it's, I imagine with what this felt like, especially the first time, I imagine my whole
Well,
body-
because this, the whole spine is moving.
Uh-huh.
On this, we're taking it down as far as we can with gravity.
Gravity.
So the final amplitude of the adjustment is very minute. You're clear, brother. Let's buff it out. You're all clear. 5, 4, You're all set, kids.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sasha and Emma, enjoy the journey. Squeeze.
Thank you.
Squeeze. Squeeze. Madam.
Thank you so much. So good to see you.
Good to see you.
It's amazing.